Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Alright, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos from now on are saved to it so that you can have more space on your phone, and also how to transfer old files to the SD card so that you can free up space in your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and get your SIM card ejector tool. It's probably going to look a little bit different than this one, but anything thin and solid like this will do it. So here at the top, it's going to have a slight hole up here, which is where the SIM card and SD card tray is. We're going to push the SIM card ejector tool in there, push it in. SIM card tray is going to pop up a little bit and you're going to pull it out. Alright, so we're going to get the tray. We're going to place the SIM card here in the first slot, the slanted part facing up like this. Okay, push it in there until it's firmly in there like this. It's not going to come off. And then place your SD card right next to it. Right there like that. Push it in. It's not going to fall out either. There you go. Once you have it in there, then let's place it back into the phone. Alright, so give it a couple seconds. Look at that. It wasn't even 1 second and it's already reading the SIM card. It says T-Mobile. It's picking up signal. It's also reading the SD card as well. So it's going to pick up signal as long as your SIM card is activated right away. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set it up so that pictures and videos taken from now on save to the SD card. So open up the camera, and there you go. You're going to get this message which says storage location, SD card has been inserted. So here all you have to do is hit OK, and the new storage space for pictures and videos will be the SD card. If you don't get that message, we're going to go to settings, and here we're going to go down to where it says storage location, which is right here towards the bottom. Select that and make sure that SD card is selected. Once it's selected, you're good to go. Any pictures and videos that you take from now on will begin to be saved in the SD card. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to transfer old pictures and videos and also other files from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space. So we're going to swipe up here, we're going to go to Samsung, and we're going to find My Files. Okay, once you're in My Files, we're going to select internal storage because that's where we want to transfer from. And for the purpose of the video, I'm going to do pictures and videos. So I'm going to go to DCIM and I'll go to camera. So here, as you can see, I have 2 pictures. You're going to have a lot more, most likely. So once we're ready to select them, we're going to just tap on it and hold it. And then up here, we're going to select all. Okay, once they're all selected, you're going to select the 3 dots, hit move. And then now we're going to select SD card. I'm going to save it in the same folder, the DCIM folder and the SD card. And then here I'll create a new folder. And let's name it Note 9. Create. Okay, and then here I'll hit done and it will move the pictures and videos here. There we go. So let's go ahead and check in the internal storage to see if the files are still there. Let's go to camera. As you can see, they are no longer here. Okay, so keep in mind, you can do this with any other file type that you see here in the internal storage that you want to transfer over to the SD card to free up space on your phone. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to install your SIM card and SD card into your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Alright, so please go ahead and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next video. Peace.